I am back doing an update on the weekly plays that I put out at the top of the week. And we're going to see how they did. Let's jump right into it. I dropped the swing play, top of the week, the fourth. I had 3 tickers in there. I thought I had more because I was looking at my other tickers that I was looking at. I should have put them in there. Next time, well, this week, if I see some really good ones, I'll put all of them in there. I'll just be trying to keep it really simple so I won't overload you guys. But I was looking at some plays like, whoa. But anyway, moving on. So I put in OMF, and this one was a double play. Like you could play it either side. Like, so you shouldn't have been able to lose on this one. So it was either we trigger the monthly up and continue to target the monthly PMG, or we trigger a reversal down on a month. You can look to play this ticker both ways. If the price holds above 39.22, short-term upsides would be 40, 41, blah, blah, blah. Long-term, blah, blah, blah. Bearish bias, if this price rejects here and hold under 38, we're going down, right? Let's look at this ticker. And as always, I put the blue line where I actually launched this play. So right now, what happened? Price fell below 38.30, like I told you guys. And I said, what happened? If this falls below this, you can play this down. It's going all the way down to this target. And this target fell from 38 to 35. Now, I know that was a bag. I don't know if anybody caught the play, but even if not, it's good to just see. So when I put other plays, you kind of familiar with how to play it. So this one was a winner. I anticipate this one to come here, probably bounce up a little bit, and then do something like this, possibly. Probably go here, come here, come back here, come here to the gap. Kind of feel like that, something like that. That's what I'm kind of seeing on that ticker. But nonetheless, it worked out. Let's see the next ticker that I have. Square. Let's look at Square. So Square, I put this ticker held its monthly retest area nicely. If price can retrace and hold 65.18, one more time, price will continue to its up targets. However, buying at 67.78 is not a bad idea either. With volume and momentum, it will continue. Please notice all broadening lines and don't get trapped on triggers. So that what I was saying with this was, if we trigger this, make sure you're very aware of your broadening formations or whatever. If price falls 67, look to play this ticker to the bottom 52. Let's see how Square did this week. Square. All right, so we dropped Square on here, right? Friday, that's where I dropped it. All right, so what happened with Square? Square triggered a 2 down. It came to this weekly level, felt that, and it came to its monthly retrace, but it held it. So it actually ended up holding 60.67. So that would have been your buy-in right here, because I said, if price fell 60.67, look to play this down, but it ended up holding 60.67 and coming back up. So I would keep this ticker on watch. I don't necessarily see any play other than if you wanted to play it down into these levels. Because we were at the top of the broadening formation. But however, now, see, sometimes it may not work out in that week, but the play is still valid. So still keep Square on your watch. It held 60.67. Let's see what it do from here. We're in a weekly 2 down. Let's see if we could get that 2 up trigger. Or if not, then you guys know if it comes back down here, it's going down. So if it breaks below 60.67, Square is coming down, and you can play that. So I would keep Square on watch. Could we have played it this week? Yeah, but would I take credit for playing it? No, because it didn't do anything that I would have made me want to actually play it myself. I would have just been watching it, and I will keep watching it. All right, let's look at EXAS, Exact Science. Let's see what this did. I believe this ticket is pushing for outside bar on the quarterly time frame, price target 49.91. Interesting. Ideal buy zones are 45.21 or 43.76. However, this ticket is giving me the feeling it may go right out the gate. I'm going to see if my feeling was correct on that. Upside targets are 48.26. We have this target as well, 49.91 for the outside bar, then 51.38. Longer term targets, you got it. Let's go see what Exact Science did. Okay, so we dropped Exact Science on here this day. Okay. Told you it gave me that feeling that it would go out the gate. So it took 1, 2, 3, 4 days to go out the gate, and it targeted 48.59. So not quite the outside bar, but it hit one of the targets. So this is a really good play that actually hit. So it actually ended up triggering that 2 up on the 3. And now it's in a reversal pattern to come down. Let's see. Let me see what the quarterly is. Did we actually hit that outside? I don't think so. Nope. We still in the 2 down. All right. So let's see. We did hit first target. Do I anticipate the outside bar and the second target to hit? I do if Exact Science can hold this level, 39.85. It's a possibility it may come down to 42 and bounce, 42.15 and bounce, and don't have to go all the way down here. So I will keep this on watch as well. It did hit the monthly and came back down, but I've realized that it probably came back down because it never tested this area. So you got an imbalance. So look at Exact Science around roughly 42.15 and 39.85 area. Let me see. Yeah. But nonetheless, it did do the weekly swing. It hit the first target, trimmed or have your stop loss at break even. So see you guys this week. Let's see what bangers we could get out and keep square on watch. Thank you guys.